one of the attributes that stood out to us is the hustling effort within the group. I'm happy to present the One Step Ahead Award to this individual for they are demonstrating a strong entrepreneurial attitudes from ideating abundance of ideas to tackling this year's equity theme to actively creating opportunities to help the team to solicit votes for the People's Choice Award amongst her friends and schoolmates. So I'm announcing today to present this award to Lecia from Team Nemo.
If my team or like members of our team weren't that motivated with this, I wouldn't be that motivated either to try to like collect a lot of votes and try to like, so I guess it's like mutual support. And I guess my part was just getting the vibe, getting people hyped to do this. So yeah.